Any Welsh in me?
Well, do you know any?
Do I know any Welsh? I think no, I was going to say I drove through Wales, but no, I don't think I did. I think I've seen it on a map. No, I don't think I have, actually.
When's Cemetery Junction out?
That's on April 14th.
And can you tell us a bit about that?
Well, I'm very excited. It was just given a glowing review in Empire magazine, which is one of the reasons I came along today, actually. If it had been slammed, I wouldn't have come. Yes, no, it's a sort of, kind of coming of age story set in a sort of small town. It could be somewhere in Wales, it could be somewhere in England. It's never specified.
Okay.
Although they don't speak with a Welsh accent. So if that puts you off, then... and it's about a young guy who sort of gets a chance to go from his kind of working class roots into a more white-collar job, and his boss is very fine, and Ricky is his father. And it's about sort of friendship and about sort of wanting to escape your small town, and it's got hopefully killer soundtrack. Okay. It's more of a feel-good drama than what we've done before. It's not an explicit comedy, although there are laughs in it. And the great thing is that if you're not a fan of Ricky Gervais, he's not in it much. Brilliant. But if you are, he's in it enough.
I'm a huge fan as well. So
yeah, it's one of the
bonus.
Perfect.
Film of the year for yourself before going in tonight?
Film of the year, blimey! I have to say I'm embarrassed because I didn't see Avatar. So I feel like I'm not sure I can make a full judgment. Thought The Hurt Locker was incredibly well made, although after about Bomb 4, I was like, really, another one? I just want to see him kicking back, having a beer, doing karaoke or something. That'd have been enough. What else has been out? I always forget. No, this is terrible. I'm so bad. I've been so busy working on this film of ours that I've just not like when I'm making a film, I can't watch other people's stuff because it'd be too good, and I'd be like, oh. So I haven't seen Inglourious Basterds, and I haven't seen. I saw Crazy Heart. I thought Jeff Bridges was great in that, very deserving of his award. So, no, I mean, I don't know. Don't mention it to anyone.
Okay, I won't keep you too long, but enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you. Thanks, Stephen. Diolch yn fawr.